So what we have here is a 2017 Powerstroke. Came in with a turbo issue, and come to find out that it also had a broken dipstick. And if you're unfamiliar with this, it actually has a two-piece dipstick. One is inside the crankcase on the back side of the engine, between the engine and the transmission. The other side comes from right down here on the top of the block, around behind the exhaust manifold, and then up over here. And what it appears to have happened is the person who worked on it before pushed it over too far and snapped the little piece that goes down inside the crank, or inside of the engine here. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to fish it out with an extractor. And just like that, there's the rest. So boys and girls, when you take this apart, or when you're going in there like that, don't put any pressure on the dipstick, because then you're gonna have to do all of this just to get that out of the back of the engine.
So that's the old one right there, isn't it? Yeah.
So this is the remaining parts of the old one. It's supposed to be like this, goes into the side of the engine, bolts up to the top of the intake, and yeah.